Cannas are vibrant, tender perennials that look beautiful in your garden. They come in a variety of colors like red, yellow, orange, white, pink, and some mixed ones too. They bloom all summer long, and in winters, they are normally dormant. The best way to propagate canna is by dividing the rhizomes. For example, here, I had those two small rhizomes that I planted, and they started to grow in summers. And within 1 years, many more plants grew from these two rhizomes. Even when they are not blooming, their foliage looks so beautiful. And when the flowers are blooming, from each spike, there are normally multiple flowers. So when there are no buds left, then you can remove or cut the spike for better growth and better flowering. They like full sun unless you live in hot climates where they may require partial shade. Plant them in organic soil, and they like a lot of water, so keep the soil moist all the time, but they shouldn't be sitting in water. In winters, the foliage starts to die down, so you can cut the plants to about 6 inches, and then in spring, they'll start to grow again. If you live in very cold climates, then you may have to dig up the rhizomes and store them in a cool place till spring, and then plant them in the ground for them to start growing again. In short, growing canna is really easy. Once you put the rhizomes in, you have to make sure that they don't take over your garden because they grow so rapidly. And I have put the links of some detailed videos in the description if you want to check them out. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.